make a lot of content about how good tools like statistical quality analysis and lean manufacturing get turned into a cult and a management fad in the form of Lean Six Sigma. Let's take a deeper look into how that happens. Lean manufacturing is a problem-solving framework. Factories can easily start to consume and tie up capital by keeping around too many parts with an inefficient workflow and partially completed work that accumulates at bottlenecks. It's perfectly sensible to go through that factory and find these excessive stocks of parts and bottlenecks where incomplete work piles up, but this isn't something you do every quarter. Once you've fixed your factory, you may need to look at it occasionally to see if there's been any backsliding. But once you've solved your work in progress and parts inventory problem, you don't need to solve it over and over again. But when you turn something like lean manufacturing into a management fad and teach it to MBAs, they're going to want to do it every single quarter over and over and squeeze more and more out of the way a company is producing its products. That just isn't going to work. It will result in parts shortages, production holdups that will get blamed on the workers, sloppy work to make up for lost time due to those production problems, and suppliers that have to deliver parts in inefficient subscale quantities, and other bad effects of applying a technique without expertise in the underlying subject matter.